Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix VBOXDD.DLL error. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, for this, first of all you simply open the Chrome browser, and after that close this, and guys, here you simply search this error VBOX, here VBOX, then DDU.DL. Okay, now go to the first website www.dllfiles.com. You simply click here. After that, simply move downward, and guys, here you see the option of software. So if you are not interested in the software and you download the direct file, so you also use these links where your VBOX.DDL is here, and your download start within 10 seconds. So now guys, here you see that my file is installed. So you simply go to your VBX. It is in a zip, so first you unzip it, then click on this file, and guys, I think you need to paste this file which application having this error. So you simply copy this. So my LD player having this issue, so simply close it and right click on your application which having this issue. Okay, like this, right click here, go to the option of copy the path and show more detail, and here you see the option of file location. After that guys, here you see this is my DL player. Now you paste this file here. Okay, now you close it and again try to open your software. And guys, this is the way that you can fix. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.